Well, hi guys, welcome back to the KNEADY Homesteader channel, and I'm here with another little, I don't know, do you call it like a hack, a tip, a trick? Something that really helped me, especially as a content creator, when people leave me links that are unclickable. So say somebody wants to show me something and they leave me a link on my Instagram. If you guys are on Instagram, you know that Instagram doesn't allow links in the comment section. They're not clickable. I'm going to show you today how to make them clickable. So let me take you to the computer first, and we will share a link, and then I'm going to show you on your phone, on your app, how to make it clickable. Okay. I'm just going to copy my mom hack here, and then what I'm going to do is, hold on as I close some of these windows out here. I am going to go over to my Instagram. And then on my Instagram, hi, as you see me in the, my internet is very, very slow. I'm going to click just my last one. That's of my eggs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be like, hi Heather, check out this video. You know how people like, to leave me, they do, they like to, oh, I didn't even spell my name right. They like to leave me, okay. So people sometimes like to leave me links to check out, whether it be something on Amazon or whether it be another video or another content creator. And what they'll do is they'll leave me a link like this. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post this as I get that to focus. When you come on here, you can't click that. Now, if you're on a computer, you can go ahead and highlight it, right click, copy, and then you can open up another window, paste, and, oh, well, hold on. Let's take this part out, my little message part. Paste, and then you'll see that my video will come up. Okay.
How's it going?
Now, if you, so this is super easy to do, okay? So we're going to go to our Instagram. I'm going to go to my profile. I'm going to click on that post. And I see that I have one comment. I'm going to click on that comment, and there it is. It's me with a link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a screenshot of it. Just like that. And I'm going to hit save. Save to photos. Okay, now I'm going to close out of this, and I'm going to go to my photos, and I'm going to go right here to that photo that I took with the link in it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my thumb, my finger, and I'm going to press down on that link. And do you see what happens? Options pop up. All you have to do is click open in YouTube, because it's a YouTube video.
Guys, welcome back.
And there is my video. It's that easy. So next time somebody leaves you a link and it's not clickable, take a screenshot of it, put it in, save it to your photos, go over to your photos, click on that picture, hold that link down, and you'll get some options that pop up. It's that easy. This was such a game changer, tip, trick, hack, whatever you want to call it. It changed everything for me. So now sometimes when people leave me links to Etsy or links to Amazon or links to a website, to a news article, and I can't click it, now a couple easy steps, it's clickable, and it's easier than me trying to find a piece of paper and handwriting out the link. I just can't. So I hope this is helpful for you. Let me know down below in the comment section if you knew about this hack, trick, tip. I don't know. Let me know down below. And yeah, these are fun. I don't mind sharing the knowledge as I learn it myself, because I'm an old dog learning new tricks. Anyway, happy Friday, you guys. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Bye.